Isometric coordinate geometry, 10th class, part 5. So, exercise 1, 7th sum. Prove that the points minus 7, minus 3, 5, 10, 15, 8, 3, minus 5 taken in order are the corners of a parallelogram. So, we prove that this is the parallelogram. Minus 7, minus 3, 5, 10, 15, 8, 3, minus 5. So, distance between AB, BC, CD, AD and midpoints of BD, AC. First solution. Distance between A minus 7 minus 3, B 5, 10. So, distance between formula root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula. Distance between formula. So, this is x1 y1, x2 y2. First of all, x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1, 5 minus this minus x1 minus 7 whole square plus y2 10 minus y1 minus 3 whole square root of 5 minus plus 7 whole square plus 10 minus plus minus into minus plus 3 whole square. So 5 plus 7 12 whole square plus 13 whole square. 12 whole square 144 plus 13 whole square 169. So root of 9 plus 4 13 1 1 plus 7 6 6 plus 1 plus 6 7 7 plus 4 11 1 1 plus 1 2 3 313. So 169 plus 144 313. Next to AB as well as BC. B distance between B 5 10, C 15 8. 5 10 15 8. Same formula. Root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x1 y1 x2 y2. So x2 minus x1 15 minus 5 15 minus 5 whole square plus y2 minus y1 8 minus 10 whole square. Root of 15 minus 5 10 whole square plus 8 minus 10 minus 2 whole square. 8 minus 10 minus 2 whole square. Root of 100 plus minus 2 whole square means 4. So root 104. 4 plus 100 104 units. Next, distance between AB, BC. Next CD. C 15 8, D 3 minus 5. So x1 y1 x2 y2. Formula active root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So root of x2 3 minus x1 15 whole square plus y2 minus 5 minus this minus y1 8 whole square. Root of 3 minus 15 minus 12 whole square plus minus 5 minus 8 minus 5 minus 8 minus 13 whole square minus 12 whole square minus 13 whole square. Root of minus 12 whole square minus 12 into minus 12 144 plus minus 13 whole square minus 13 into minus 13 plus 169. Same as to 300 9 4 13 1 10 plus 1 11 1 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 3 313. So units. Next to DA AD, distance between DA D 3 minus 5 A minus 7 minus 3. So root of 3 minus 5 x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Formula x1 y1 x2 y2 x2 minus x1 whole square x2 minus 7 minus x1 3 this minus x1 3 whole square plus y2 minus 3 minus y1 minus 5 whole square. Root of minus 7 minus 3 minus 10 whole square plus minus 3 minus 2 minus 2 plus 5 whole square. Root of minus 10 whole square plus 5 minus 3 plus 5 minus 3, so plus 2 whole square. Root of 100 minus 10 whole square 100 plus 4 104 units. So AB BC CD DA opposite sides are equal. So BC AD 104 sides are equal. We will find next to AC midpoint and BD midpoint. AC A minus 7 minus 3 C 15 8 midpoint. So x1 plus x2 by 2 y1 plus y2 by 2. Parallelogram midpoint, you will also find the midpoints also. So x1 y1 x2 y2. Same x1 plus x2 minus 7 plus 15 minus 7 plus 15 by 2 y1 plus y2 y1 minus 3 plus y2 minus 3 plus y2 8 by 2. So 8 by 2 5 by 2. 8 by 2 means 4 and 5 by, sorry, 15 minus 7, 8 by 2, plus 8 minus 3, 5 by 2. So 4 and 5 by 2. So AC midpoint to 4 and 5 by 2. As well as you will find BD midpoint. B 5, 10, D 3 minus 5. Midpoint. Same, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So x1, y1, x2, y2. 5 plus 3 by 2, 10 plus minus 5 by 2. So 8 by 2, 10 plus 2 minus 2 minus 2 by 2. So 4, 5 by 2. So 4, 5 by 2, 4, 5 by 2. అంటే AB is equal to CD as well as BC is equal to AD, and both midpoints AC, BD midpoints, AC midpoints is equal to BD midpoint. So ABCD is a parallelogram. So ABCD is a parallelogram. Next sum. So that the points minus 4, minus 7, minus 1, 2, 8, 5, 5, minus 4 taken in order are the verticals of the rhombus and find its area. Rhombus and చూపి area కట్టమన్నారు. So first we will find AB, BC, CD, DA distances as well as AC, BD distances. First D solution. Distance between A minus 4 minus 7, B minus 1 2, x1 y1, x2 y2. Formula root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Root of x2 minus 1 minus x1 minus 4 whole square plus y2 2 minus y1 minus 7 whole square. Root of minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 plus minus into minus 2 plus 4 whole square plus 2 minus 2 minus 2 plus 7 whole square. Root of minus 1 plus 4 3 square minus 1 plus 4 3 square plus 2 plus 7 9 whole square. So 3 square means 9 plus 9 square means 81 is equal to root 90 units. So AB, next to BC. Distance between B minus 1 2 minus 1 2, C 8 x1 y1 x2 y2. Same formula, root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here x2 8 minus x1 8 minus this minus x1 minus 1 whole square plus y2 5 minus y1 2 minus y1 2 whole square. Root of 8 minus minus plus 1 whole square plus 5 minus 2 3 square. Root of 8 plus 1 9 square plus 3 square 9. So root of 81 plus 9 root 90 units. Next, distance between AB, BC, CD, C 8 5, D 5 minus 4, 5 minus 4, x1 y1 x2 y2. Same formula, root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Root of x2 5 minus x1 8 whole square plus y2 minus 4 minus y1 5 whole square. Root of 5 minus 8 minus 3 whole square plus minus 4 minus 5 minus 9 whole square. Root of minus 3 whole square 9 minus 3 into minus 3 plus minus 9 whole square minus 9 into minus 9 81 90 units. Root 90 units. Distance between D 5 minus 4 A minus 4 minus 7. So x1 y1 x2 y2. Formula root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So root of x2 minus 4 minus x1 5 whole square plus y2 minus 4 minus y1 minus 4 whole square. Root of minus 4 minus 5 minus 9 whole square plus minus 4 minus 2 minus 2 plus minus 2 minus 2. So y2 minus 4 y1 D minus 7 sorry y2 minus 7. So minus 7 y1 minus 4. So minus 7 minus minus 2 plus 4 whole square. Root of minus 9 whole square minus 9 into minus 9 81 plus minus 7 plus 4 minus 3 whole square. So 81 plus minus 3 whole square 9 root 90 square units sorry. Root 90 units. So AB, BC, CD, DA. Next to AC midpoint. AC distance between AC. Distance between A, comma minus 4 minus 7. C 8 5 x1 y1 x2 y2. ఇది diagonal d1. So d1 is equal to same formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So x2 8 minus x1 minus 4 whole square plus y2 5 minus y1 minus 7 whole square. So root of 8 minus minus 2 plus 4 whole square plus 5 minus minus 2 plus 7 whole square. So 8 plus 4 root of 8 plus 4 12 square plus This is also 12 square. Root of 12 square 144 plus 144. So 144 into 144. So 2 into 144. So root 144 into root 2. Root 144, root 12, 12 root 2 units. Okay. Next BD, B minus 1 to D 5 minus 4. Minus 1 to 5 minus 4. Distance. So x1, y1, x2, y2. Root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Root of x2 minus 4 minus x1 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus 4 minus y1 to whole square. So root of x2 minus x1, x2 sorry 5, x2 5, x1 minus 1 is minus y2 minus 4 minus xy1 2 5 minus minus plus 1 whole square plus minus 4 minus 2 minus 6 whole square. So root of 6 square plus minus 6 whole square 36. So 36 plus 36. So root of 236, 2 into 36. Root 2 into root 36. So root 2 into 6, 6 root 2 units. This is D2. So area, we will find rhombus area. Rhombus area of rhombus of D1, D2. Of D1, D2. This is the formula. So of D1, D2, of D1 means, so 12 root 2, 12 root 2 into D2, 6 root 2. So half into 12 into 6 into root 2 into root 2, root 2 whole square. So half into 12 6 are 72 into square root both the 2, 2 both the 72 square units. Area covered 72 square units. Rhombus area 72 square units.